This is now my modified 22GP224 by Philips, and I'm using here a cartridge and stylus needle by Crosley. And about its measurement, I don't have an exact measurement about this project. If you saw the first part of the video, I'm just using my trial and error. That's how I did. And also, the part here is not detachable, is the cartridge, but the red part, this is the part of the stylus needle, you can replace anytime. So to replace this one, I have a gap here. I place a small gap so I can insert something. I can pull out the red part like this. There. Then pull out the needle. Then if you have a new needle, then you can push this one, then there. Next is about the connection. If you peep like this, on the back part of the head shell, the bottom part, the two is for the signal, left and right. And this one, and the part here, on the left side, this is for the common ground. And the upper part, no connection.
This record is intended to help you check your playing equipment without the use of... You'll hear me move from, or conceivably. The effect of this is that the...
And that's all. Hope this video helps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.